Hello everyone, my name is Shashikant Shetty and I'm going to guide you in this short video about the details that you're supposed to fill in this supplement. Now try to understand the only reason that we have distributed this supplement to you and we are insisting on writing your prelims on this supplement only because this is how or your board supplement will be somewhat similar to this. So few details quickly we will rush through. First, seat number in figures. That is what you have to fill here. So seat number in figures would be ATC 12345. Now this is the number that every single student has to use for this prelims. Now in boards, what will happen is you'll have your unique seat number that will be displayed on your hall ticket. But for our prelims, for every prelims, everybody will use ATC 12345. Now the same thing has to be written in words, which has to be ATC 12,345 in words. So seat number in figures and seat number in words. Now here you have to sign. You have to make sure that you do your signature. And in the invigilator signature, that is a supervisor signature, we want your parents to sign. So here you have to write your parents' sign. Center number, we are expecting you to write 0001 for every paper. Now, once again, when you write your board exams, you will have your own center number in your hall ticket. Now, there is question paper code on the left hand side and on the right hand side of your paper. If you see, I have put dash, which is not applicable to us. We'll put dash and dash. Subject is the subject that you're writing: bookkeeping, mathematics, OC, eco, whatever it is. Paper would always be blank. Date would be the current date, whichever date you're writing. Here I've written 10/3/2021. Just for an example, you can use any date of your choice. Language of answer will always be English. Always be English. Now, if you see here, main book says main answer book is 1. Plus how many supplements? Say, for example, I have used 2 supplements. So I will say 2. And 1 plus 2 will be 3. Now, let us say you have not used any supplement. So you will write 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. So even if you have not taken any supplement, make sure that you write 0 equal to 3. Now, students, try to understand. Everybody is going to write ATC 12345. Every student of Adyan Tutorials Commerce is going to write ATC 12345. So how do we identify whether it is your paper or somebody else's paper? So on the top side, you'll have some space. We want you to write your name, not Dikshit Shetty. Everybody cannot afford to be Dikshit Shetty. And your branch name, which is Mulund, Ghatkopar, Vikroli, DN Nagar, JB Nagar, whatever it is. But remember, in your board exams, you're not supposed to display any of your identity. So this is not necessary. In fact, if you write this, your paper will not be corrected. But for prelims, we insist you to do this. So I hope you will follow all the details that is given in the this video and you make the most of it. All the best for your exams, everybody. God bless you. Thank you so much.